Welcome to Green Beauty Chemist YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a very simple foaming face wash recipe. Get your formulation notebook ready and note down the formula. You need the following to make your foaming face wash. 91.5 grams of distilled water. 5 grams of cocoa glucoside surfactant. 2 grams of chamomile extract or any botanical extract of choice. 1 gram of UL PE 9010 preservative or other preservative of choice. Half a gram of your favorite essential oil. How to make your foaming face washington. Mix all the aforementioned ingredients together in order and adjust the pH to 5.5. Pour your mixture into a suitable foaming bottle. See description box for recommended foaming bottle. For more advanced professional beauty recipes, head over to stablecosmeticformulas.com. Thanks for watching.